Good morning everybody. How are you children? This is your 12th standard economics class. Since we have finished all the portions, we are going for a short revision. Okay. Let us come to the last chapter, 12th chapter. Introduction to statistical method and econometrics. Okay, now what is statistics? It is the word statistics is originated from the Western country. Okay, it is originated from the Western country. Status in Latin, statistic in German, statique in French. Okay. This particular word is first used by an economist called Gottfried Urchinwald. He used this particular concept to explain the political conditions of the different state. All these words meant political status. Okay. Later, a contribution to statistical method, a book, was introduced by Nelson. But all the respect and regard goes to Professor Ronald Fisher. Actually, he is not a mathematician, he is a biologist. He only introduced statistical methods to various subjects called agriculture, biochemistry, psychology, education. He brought various methods of statistics into these subjects. That's how this subject got developed. But what is actually statistics? Statistics, according to Bollington, statistics as a science of estimates and probabilities. It is a science of estimation. Everywhere you need estimation, everywhere you need data. All the job is done by statistical department. And then statistics may be defined as the collection and organization, presentation, analysis, as well as interpretation of numerical data. Okay, so and Carl Pearson, he says that statistics is a grammar of science. Now, data, mainly data is the heartbeat of statistics. Statistic is meant in two different sense, singular, plural. In singular sense, it all talks about collecting the data, presenting the data, interpretation of the data, analysis of the data. And in a plural form, it talks about all the analytical aspects of the data. So, it is used in two sense. Okay, without statistic, nothing is possible in this world. That's all about the statistics. In this lesson, we also study about econometrics. What do you mean by econometrics? It is a subject. Okay, it is an amalgamation of three subjects. That is mathematics, statistics, economics. Put together, you call it econometrics. Okay, that is econometrics. For today's world, all these data are very, very important. Now, in your objective questions, objective questions, you have lot of 20 questions. Let us go into a short revision. Okay, the word statistic is used in how many sense? It is used in two sense, singular as well as plural. That's the correct answer. Next one is, who stated that statistics as a science of estimates and probabilities? That's the second question. Answer is Boddington. Okay. Third thing, the sources of secondary data. How do you get the secondary data. You can get the secondary data from published sources as well as from non-published sources. Then another question, the data collected by questionnaires. People used to collect lot of data in a questionnaire form, no? People who are doing researches. And what is the name given to those data? It is called primary data. Okay. And the measure and strength of the linear relationship that exists between two variables. How do you name it? Okay, that is coefficient correlation. That is called coefficient correlation. Okay, see, there are two variables x and y. If two variables they travel in the same direction, that is, if they increases simultaneously or decreases simultaneously, then the coefficient of correlation will be in positive direction. So if you plot all the data in a scatter diagrams, and if you happen to find out those data, okay, x variable is traveling in one direction and y variable is traveling in another direction, then it is in negative form. And next thing is the value of coefficient of correlation is a line between -1 and +1. The equation will be always in -1 and +1. The term regression, that is another mathematical aspect, it is used by Glanton. Okay. The purpose of simple linear equation. What is the purpose? Given the dependent variable, given one variable, you can able to find another variable. That is the purpose of regression. Okay, see, if y is equal to 2 minus 0, 2x, then what is the value of y? They are asking this, and the value of y is 2. Okay, in the regression equation, y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x, then y is called what? It is a dependent variable. X is an independent variable. So what is econometrics? I told you econometrics is the combination of economics, mathematics and statistics. Okay, so this word is coined by Ragnar Frisch. Econometrics is a word coined by Ragnar Frisch. So these are the questions, main questions in this particular area. Children, today you have to go through this lesson and you have to read all the objective questions as well as that B part question. What is statistics? Define correlation, define regression, what is econometrics. All these important questions, you must study them and you must write them and by heart all the objective questions. Okay, nice meeting you. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.